We're on page 494 in your textbook. This is 7.4. Getting through the chapter, you're doing well. On page 494, now we're going to start writing expressions with variables and constants. School lunch costs $1.85. Use your calculator, determine how much money is collected for each situation. Write the numerical expression you typed in your calculator. 55 students purchased a school lunch. We got 55, and we know the cost. 55, parentheses, $1.85. That says, we're not going to write it like this, 55 times $1.85. We're going to write it this way. On your calculator, go 55 times $1.85. That equals $101.75. B, same cost, $1.85. I'm going to put that in parentheses. I'm changing the number of students, 123. Simple multiplication problem. Do that on your calculator. You get $227.55. This is an expression. C, one more. 2013. I'm going to put that first. Put $1.85 in parentheses. It's a multiplication problem. If I multiply that out, I get $3,724.05. All right, let's skip D. Forget the sentence. We're going to go right to the algebraic expression. The number that stayed the same for A, B, and C is the cost of the lunch, $1.85. They want us to use N to represent the number of lunches purchased. So that goes right there. You can write it also this way, $1.85, put N second. That's the algebraic expression. The top part, these are numerical, because we use nothing but numbers. On the bottom, this is algebraic, because now we've got the variable right there. All right, this corny joke is from Tyler. This corny joke is sponsored by Tyler. What do you call a pig that knows karate? What do you know a pig that knows karate? A pork chop. You can thank Tyler for that one. Thank you, Tyler, for contributing. Number 4, next page. Cost to rent a skating rink is $215 for a 2-hour party. The cost will be shared equally among all the people. This tells you right here it's a division problem. Use your calculator to determine a number how much each person will pay. So we've got our whole, $215. We're going to split that up with 25 people. The cost would be $8.60. Same cost for B, $215. This time, we're going to share it equally with 43 people. On your calculator, go 215 divided by 43. You will get $5 per person. C, 215 divided by 81. On your calculator, solve that. Seriously, pick up your calculator and solve it. You should get $2.65. D would be 215 divided by 81. Or, if I wrote the right number, it'd be 108. It goes down to $1.99 per person. Look at number 6. Write the algebraic expression that represents how much each person will pay to attend the skate party. They want us to use P. The cost stays the same. It's 215. We were sharing it with P people. They had to use P. So the algebraic expression is 215 divided by P. Page 496. Now we've got a calling card. Jimmy has a 300-minute calling card. Complete the table to determine how many minutes remain on each card. Starts out with 300. The duration of the call, it lasts 33 minutes. 300 minus 33 is going to equal 267. Second problem starts with 300. The second call lasts 57. Start with 300 again. Subtract that, and you get 243. Last one, 300 minutes. This time it lasts 1 hour and 17 minutes. 60 plus 17 is 77. Subtract that from 300, and you're going to get 223 minutes. I'd like you to do number 9. Write the algebraic expression to determine how many minutes remain after each call. C represents the duration. Pause the video and try it. All right, so you tried it. Before we get to that, Tyler submitted a second joke. What's black and white, black and white, black and white? A penguin rolling down the hill. Thank you, Tyler, for 2 jokes. We appreciate your effort. Number 9, write the algebraic expression. So 300 was our constant. 300, the operation was subtraction. That's all we did. 300 minus C. 300 minus C. Write the algebraic expression that represents each situation. A pencil costs 17 cents. How much will you spend if you buy P pencils? Your constant is 17 cents. What's going to change is P. Why do they always use P? B, you can run a mile in 7 minutes, 30 seconds. How long will it take you to run M miles, assuming you run at a constant rate of speed? Let me use a decimal for this. 7.5. I want to know how long it'll take. Just going to multiply that times M. You have 4 bins. You want to have the same amount of snacks in each. If you have S snacks, how many snacks will be in each bin? You've got to think about what the operation is. We have snacks. We don't know how many snacks there are because it's a variable. It changes. We're going to split that evenly. S divided by 4. D, you have a sheet of 250 stickers that you want to share equally. That's your keyword right there. If you have F friends, how many stickers will each friend receive? Changes from day to day, apparently, how many friends you have, but you always have 250 stickers. You're going to share it equally, so we're dividing it by F. 250 over F. Page 497, number 11. Now we're going to write the algebraic expression 6 times a number n. 6, operation is multiplication, parentheses, 6n. Hang on just a second. Left the video running again, sorry about that. All right, we're on B, 5 more than C. Operation is plus 5 more than C. D, C, H minus 7, just write it, H minus 7. D, X, we're going to add 1. 3 times Y, don't write the multiplication symbol, just write 3Y. You can write it like this if you'd like. M less than 9. Sometimes these can be tricky. You have to figure out which number's first. 9 comes first, and it's M less. 9 minus M is the correct one. Pause the video for a minute and read that paragraph. You need to understand the difference between numerical coefficient and constant. And a shout out to Tyler. Way to go, Tyler, on the jokes. Those were awesome, man.